What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the LSETH token, the liquid staked Ethereum token on Coinbase. For the first step, we will need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, sign up through the link in the description and you will receive 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So now let's head over to this homepage. Once you are logged into it, you'll arrive at this homepage, and on the right top we have a search bar option. Click on that and there we will fill in LSETH, and there you will find the liquid staked Ethereum token. We will select that and now you arrive at this token page. As you can see, we have a buy, sell and convert option. For now we will use the buy option, so we will leave it on that. And after that you can select your order type. We have a one-time order, just a single order for the current market price, or you can select a recurring buy option. And this means that you will buy the same amount of tokens or spend the same amount of money daily, weekly or monthly. So for now we will leave it on a one-time order. After that we go back and now we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this order. Let's say we would like to spend 1000 euros on this coin, and now you can see how much tokens we are receiving in return for this money. The next step is to select your payment method. Here you can select your payment method. If your preferred payment method is not over here in this list, then you can simply add a new payment method by clicking this button down below. After that we go back and we will review our order. And now I will give you guys a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money on trading on Coinbase. Every time you place a trade on Coinbase, you are paying a transaction fee. As you can see, the transaction fee for this order is 38 euros and 37 cents. For now, you can use the Coinbase One subscription to save yourself a lot of money. You can try it out for free for 7 days. And after those 7 days it will cost you 25 euros a month. But as you can see, only on this order we are already saving ourselves 38 euros only on this trade. So it's definitely worth it to try that out. And once you have decided to buy these coins, you can click on the buy now option down below and these coins will be automatically added to my assets here on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!